Hi, today let's make spicy pepper chicken. In a kadai, add oil. Once the oil has been heated, add in some chopped garlic and mix well. Once the garlic has been fried really well in the oil, next I'm adding in some badge chili and green chilies, fry it well. Next, let's add in some chopped onions as well. Fry and mix everything really very well till the raw smell goes, because once the raw smell goes, that is when the flavor starts kicking in. Mix well. Next, I'm adding in some salt. I'm adding in some turmeric powder, and then I'll add in some ginger garlic paste. As I said, mix well. For this particular recipe, mixing and frying the ingredients really very well, because the ingredients are very simple, so we need to enhance it by frying. Next, I'm adding in freshly grounded pepper powder. If you make the pepper powder fresh, that is where the flavor of the recipe will enhance more. Next, I'm adding in cleaned and washed chicken. Mix well and cover it with the lid for around 5 minutes till the water oozes out and the color of the chicken changes. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Once you can see the water has come out, now I've added in some chopped tomatoes. Once the tomato is added, again give it a good mix so that the chicken is very well mixed along with the other ingredients and the tomatoes. Now I'm adding in some freshly again some more pepper powder. I'm adding in some more cumin powder, and then I'm adding in some coriander leaves and mix well. Give it a good mix. As I said, this is a very simple recipe, very minimal ingredients, but to get the flavor really very well and intact, we need to mix all the ingredients really very well and get it together. Now I'm adding in some soy sauce for the color and the flavor. Again, mix it well, and next what I'll do is cover it with the lid for another 5 minutes, just 5 minutes till the chicken gets cooked really very well. And then what you need to do is add in some curry leaves. This is for the aroma and the flavor. Curry leaves gives a different flavor to the chicken. And now I'm adding in some corn slurry. Corn slurry means I've taken corn flour, added it with mixed it with water without any lumps, and I've added it to the pepper chicken. This is to get the creamy shiny texture to the pepper chicken. Mix really very well. Check for the salt at this stage, and then again garnish it with lots of coriander leaves, and your tasty, spicy, easy pepper chicken is ready. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.